cold right there, boy. Sitting at idle. 43. Oh yeah. She's about matching the temps outside. Don't get caught with your pants down. I actually did. You have to move this stud right here to here. This particular one came with the stud right here, and when I tried to put the hose on, it didn't fit. So it was already on. It made it a little worse to move the stud. I mean, it was still possible, but it did make it a little worse to move the stud. So I put it over here, and then it mounts right in. What's up, everybody? Back out here on this Ram. Got an AC leak. I think I told y'all about it, but I got an AC leak, and it looks like somebody else has worked on it quite a bit. And then come to find out, their mechanic actually did a bit of work to it, and he never did get it right. And so it's blowed the high pressure release valve off the compressor, and now it's leaking. So that's where it was leaking at when I found it the other day. And now they've got all the parts warrantied out, and I'm here to see what I can figure out about it. But check this out. And I don't really know what else has been done, but I think the condenser's been replaced, the compressor, the expansion valve. Pretty sure everything had been replaced, but we got the compressor warrantied out. I'm gonna pull it down and see what I can figure out. On the compressor here, you got basically 5 13 millimeters you're gonna take off. It's 1, 2, and then one up there that holds the compressor on. So that's 3, and then you got one that holds this line on, and then you got another one that holds the other line on up there. And they're actually just 2 nuts, but they're all 13 millimeter. First thing to do is get the belt off. Make sure you don't have no Freon in it, which I already knew this one didn't. But so I knew this one didn't have no Freon in it because I had it the other week and they wasn't able to fix it the last time. So she's letting me see what I can figure out. But like I say, there's 2 lines, 2 nuts, 3 bolts that hold the compressor on. You got to get the belt loose, and I'll tell you some more here in a minute. Make sure you have these in the slot before you try to slide it up in here, because if you don't, you will not be able to get them in because of the frame rail right here. So you need to have them in before you push it up, and also have it plugged up. Yeah, y'all make sure you vacuum it down, which, like I said, I charged this with nitrogen at about 100 psi.